This guy used beer and pee to escape death in an avalanche. Buried under massive snow in the Austrian Alps, he turned his car into a survival pod. His genius move? Using beer cans and his own pee to melt escape holes in the snow. He'd drink half the beer, then use the warm liquid to start melting the snow. When the beer ran out, he switched to his own urine. The heat from the liquid slowly created air pockets and kept him from freezing. After 5 days, rescuers spotted his makeshift tunnel system. He literally drank and peed his way to survival.